Today is a two-part video. I'm going to be unboxing and setting up a TASCAM Series 8P Dyna. A TASCAM Series Series 8P Dyna. I'm going to use a wireless mic sometimes, and I have to give those microphones a boost, a leg up. I can't just use the level volume on a mixer or an interface because it's just not going to give the mics enough juice. I need actual gain, power. And I have a lot of other microphones and inputs I got to use that need gain and power. So I got a pretty sweet processor. It is the TASCAM Series 8P Dyna. I can't remember the name. It was really good. It cost about $500. And it's going to be a two-part video. We're going to unbox it, which is this first video. And I'm going to go over whatever we see. And another video where I'm going to actually set it up and configure it and give you guys a tutorial. So I'm going to be doing this using this thing. I got a bunch of content creation tools now that I'll be using, so I'll seem a little bit more professional. So yeah, let's get started. We're unboxing it. All right, so here it is. Now I can actually just read the name. The TASCAM Series 8P Dyna. As you can see, it is an 8-channel mic preamplifier with analog compressor. The keyword there is pre-amplifier. Okay, not everything is a preamplifier. Just because it has a volume knob on it doesn't mean it's a preamp. A preamp is usually something that adds voltage or power to the signal, increasing the voltage, increasing the power. And that's what we want here when we're using my really cheap microphone wireless system. All right, so here we go. We're opening it. I got it backwards. All right. There we go. We got the usual stuff. Just glad nobody messed with it. It would suck if I opened the box and there was dirt in there or a dildo. So let's get this out of here. Pretty simple, pretty basic. You got your power stuff here. Ooh, whoops. You got your piece of equipment. All right. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna rip this crap open. Nobody needs that. Except for my dog. Hammy! Come here, buddy. Alright, pretty sweet. Alright, real simple. You got your off and on. You got your first two inputs there in front access. You got gain and you got compression on each channel. And then we got a metering system here so we can monitor input strength. Actually really important. I used to think a lot of the extra screens and stuff were just to show off, but I find myself actually wanting something like that now, which is weird. But here we got the back. All right, it's not an interface. Okay, so it's not some digital interface that you hook up to the computer and it records directly. This is not one of those things. Okay, this is purely analog in the analog world. All right, my first piece of purely, well, not my first piece, but one of very few purely analog pieces. It feels real good, like a good piece of equipment. It better cost me $500 on Amazon. I just wanted something to do purely what it does. It's got 8 ins, 8 outs, gain, compression for each channel. And that's it. That's all I wanted. Because we have the Scarlett 6i6. So I got 4 ins, 4 outs there. I'm sorry, 6 ins, 6 outs. I also have the Fast Track Ultra 8R. 8 ins, 8 outs. I actually really wasn't getting as much power as I wanted out of it. So I'm going to be running those wireless mics and also all the other microphones through this bad boy to give them all some gain and some compression before they're run in to either the Fast Track Ultra or the Scarlett 6i6, depending on what I'm doing. Next, we're going to do the tutorial, the setting up, the configuration, the learning about what we do here at Dope Vocals. By we, I mean me. Alone. Except for you guys. You guys are my friends. All right, see you then.
Check it out.
Hey yo, I gotta move quick, I gotta meet a deadline, and if they said I never do shit, they lied to you. I'm on the ground and too swift, plus I'm mystic like druids, and yo, got all these bitches doing huge splits, but I ain't no